Transform your written content into eye-catching videos with the power of Pictory AI. In just a few minutes, we'll show you how to harness this incredible tool, perfect for marketers, educators, and content creators looking to streamline their video production. Let's dive in first. We'll explore the article-to-video feature, ideal for repurposing blog posts or articles. Simply paste the URL of your article into the provided field. Pictory AI will then analyze your text and automatically select relevant stock images and video clips from its extensive library, creating initial video scenes. Don't worry if the initial visuals aren't exactly what you envisioned. You have complete control. Easily swap out suggested media, choose from a vast library of options, and even upload your own branded assets. Now, let's add some personality. You can select a natural-sounding AI voice to narrate your script, or upload your own pre-recorded voiceover for a personal touch. To make your video truly your own, customize the look. Adjust text styles, font colors, and apply your brand's color palette for a consistent and professional feel. With a few clicks, your text is transformed into a polished, engaging video ready for sharing. Pictory AI truly simplifies video creation, saving you time and resources. So whether you're promoting a product, explaining a concept, or sharing your expertise, Pictory AI makes video marketing accessible and effective for everyone. Give it a try and unlock the power of AI-driven video content creation.